Hello guys, my name is Kendrick Enriquez. I am a corresponding senior at All Hallows High School, and as of right now, we are getting ready for the open house. As you guys can see, the band is getting ready over there. We're getting the smart board ready over there. Please tune in and enjoy the open house. Thank you. Hello, my name is Kendrick Enriquez. I am a corresponding senior at All Hallows High School, and today I'm here with
Trayshawn Trayor.
and also
And Dream Campbell.
nice. So I got one question for you, my man. How you liking All Hallows so far? Are you liking the tour?
Perfect. Yes, we got gaming over here, basketball and soccer, my two favorite sports,
Okay.
and track and field.
Nice. And one question for you, Mom. Would you see your son attending All Hallows in the next 4 years?
Absolutely. I was blown away by the presentation in the auditorium, the kindness of the teachers, and the fact that everyone seemed to be a close-knit family.
Great. I'm happy to hear that. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you so much.
May you have a great day. How do you feel about the tour?
I actually really like it. You guys have band, which my son is really interested in. I haven't seen that in like other high schools, and also the comic book club.
Yes.
He's like a fan, and that
gaming
one,
club.
he's like, oh my God, I really like this. Like, I wasn't expecting that, but he's really interested.
Oh, that's really nice to hear. And I got one more question for you. Do you feel like your son is a perfect fit for Hallows High School?
Oh yes, it's actually my first choice,
Your first choice. Okay.
even before coming to the open house.
And today I'm here with.
I'm Brandon Lopez, and I'm coming from Incarnation School of Manhattan.
Nice, my man. Nice to meet you. I got one question for you. What was your first impression at All Hallows High School?
When I first came here, it was a really nice school. It was really nice people. I got like nice introductions, and like I felt like a lot of like positive energy in here.
My man, thank you so much. Nice to meet you. Hope to see you next year, man.
Elijah Diaz. I graduated from Cornell University, and I work for BNP Paribas, a French bank in the city.
Nice to meet you, Elijah. Quick question for you. So you graduating in 2019, coming back to All Hallows, what do you see that's different about the building?
I think what's different is just that like commitment to change that I've seen when I've come back. You know, things were great when I was here, and I still feel like that same commitment to innovation is here now. There's a real commitment to, okay, how can we actually change the school? What things can we do? What new programs? How can we bring different alumni back? And those kind of plans, and when you're actually committed to that kind of thing, actually breeds some kind of change, you know? So I love it when I'm back, and I just see the potential in everybody, you know?
Well, Elijah, thank you so much for all the information. Nice to meet you again. And today I'm here with.
Devin Henderson, Holy Rosary School student.
Nice to meet you, man. I got one question for you. So going through All Hallows, how are you liking the All Hallows tour so far?
So far, it's been a very great experience. They've had an amazing presentation that's actually got me very hooked. And they've done like a very good job at detailing everything, presenting everything.
Thank you. One more question. Do you see yourself for the next 4 years attending All Hallows High School?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. My man, nice to meet you. Thank you. Your son is attending All Hallows as for the open house. Do you see your son attending All Hallows for the next 4 years?
I could absolutely see him, yeah.
Yes, thank you. And one more question. How are you liking the All Hallows tour so far?
We are having a fantastic time.
Nice. That's all I wanted to hear. Thank you so much.